thing to do?
Play.
Play what?
Play will be a rescue service.
Rescue service. Swim.
I think that was 60 grit. I'm trying to do 150 grit.
To smooth it out.
Make it. I'm taking 150. I'm putting 800. Already very smooth. Trying to make it smoother. And just use it if you like this smooth feel. I'm gonna try polyurethane on the small sample and see if I like it.
Okay.
But I think this might be alright. As long as you don't spill too much water.
Okay.
Yeah, I think.
Milky spills sometimes.
I want to strip this out.
Oh,
gonna
make
discard-
it like table.
Yeah. So the best way to do it is, best way to do it is P80 or P60.
E80.
P80 or P60. And put it on top of this. Make sure.
The holes.
Yeah, holes are lined because that's where the vacuum, it's connected to vacuum cleaner. And
Do you want to empty that?
no, it's okay. The air is going out. Okay? Just watch. Video.
Really smooth.
Wow.
Is it nice, smooth?
Really smooth.
You want to just use it like this without the polyurethane? Polyurethane? Polyurethane will create a plastic like cover. It's like
Well, this
glossy.
to me is just fine, but if it gets ruined
Yeah,
because of
this-
wetness,
No, I
it's
don't know.
smooth as wood.
This whatever
Pretty
the
strong.
800 grit.
That's underneath.
Oh yeah, 800 grit.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Really makes
Don't
it
tramp.
as smooth as this chair too. Touch this chair. Isn't that pretty? Huh?
Feel this.
Do you like this new table?
Oh yeah. It really brightens up the room.
I actually found this feed-in wax. I think it's a beeswax.
Oh.
Yeah, you see, I've been putting this so that it makes even more yellower and orange. And it protects the wood from water. You see? I would put it like this. Close it. All I need to do is, once in a while, make a paper like this and spread it like a brush.
Oh.
And it closes the pores of the wood, and it also protects the wood from absorbing water. So it actually makes a little yellower and richer color too.
Oh.
Can you tell it's changing?
Yeah.
Put some in here too. Thank you. Yeah. Does it look pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's much glowing. Thank you.
Hmm?